Hi, today I'm for the OPPO Reno 10 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings and then tap to wallpapers and style. Click to allow and tap the wallpapers section. Here you'll see all of the available now albums with all of the available folders. Also, you could use the online wallpapers, but to use them, be sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi or to mobile data. So let's select one from the available wallpapers on our device from the default. Select the wallpaper, tap to apply, and click to lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds. Now let's just lock the device. And we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. You should hold for a while home screen with your finger, tap on the left down corner to wallpapers, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers. I just want to use one from the online wallpapers, so let's just select. I'll use this one. Click to apply, select lock screen. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.